Okay, so to install Linux, all we need to do is get Virtualbox ready, or VMware. You could be using VMware, you could use Virtualbox, VMware. Doesn't matter what hypervisor you use, but the goal is to get the same results of installing those virtual machines. So you need to go to the website. I'll be adding the link down in the description. We're working with virtual machines, so we do need to click on virtual machines recommended. These are pre-built images for Virtualbox and VMware, and then all you need to do is click on Virtualbox. If you're using Virtualbox, if you're using VMware, click on that so it works better for what hypervisor you're using. So I'll click on Virtualbox, just hit the download button right there, and when it's done, you do need to open that. So it's compressing the 7-zip file, and then you do need to extract that. So once you extract that, you're ready to move to the next step, which would be to open up your Virtualbox. Once you open up Virtualbox, you need to click on Add. Opens up a dialog where you can go to the folder where it's extracted, and then you can select the image right there. So this is a pre-built image, and you don't need to worry about configuring the video memory, the RAM, the CPU allocated to this virtual machine. So you can just go straight up into powering this device on. So powering up, we're gonna wait for that to load. So I'll skip that so you don't have to wait, of course. Since this is a pre-built image, so it comes with default credentials, which is Kali for the username and password. And once we get in, that's the first thing we're going to be changing. We're going to open terminal. So open terminal and use the command password, PASSWD. So the current password is Kali, and we're going to be changing that to a more secure password right there. So there you go, guys. That's all you need when it comes to installing kalilinux. I'm going to be posting more videos installing other virtual machines meant for the home lab. So please subscribe so you don't miss those videos. Thank you.